Bloody merry afternoon. Today was a stonker. It was like 40 parts. All our phone apps and all that was sort of saying other towns were like 37 blah blah blah, but this joint here, Milligan Beach campground, whew, she's a stonker, mate. She was hot today. Good bloody merry afternoon and Merry Christmas. Good bloody merry morning. Just down the beach here having a bit of a swim. Anne and Ollie dogs. Ollie's having a bit of a surf. Nice day, a bit windy. The sultanas are smashing us again. They're just full on. Yeah. Too much. So, view. It's going to be another stinker today. So I'll crank the aircon later because I think we're going to need it. It's going to be hotter today than yesterday. Flies. A view from the lookout. Tesla's keeping the water flat. Milligan's is up there. What are you getting? Hey? Come on, you girl. Get that one. Yeah, good girl. And what are you doing, boy? Hey? Just hanging out. Oh man. This is the southern end of Milligan Island. Heaps of people here. Couple of tinnies. People rocking in and out all the time. Awesome. I better show you the pension if you're wondering where Ollie is. What are you doing, old man? You just hanging out, are you? Good bloody merry morning. We're at Cliff Heads. Awesome spot. Check this beach out. We didn't really film anything yesterday. So we sort of got here and sort of relaxed and had quite a few sherbets, and that would have been a little bit inappropriate. We're about, I don't know, 60-70 minutes from the beach. It's pretty cool. We went crabbing last night. Caught a little crab. They're very quick though. Awesome view. There's a pair of Seahawks up there too on the mast. I'll get that later. There's some Seahawks. Nice, eh? Look at that. And it's a nice little sea breeze going too, so it's keeping it cool. It's been pretty stinking hot. Been good. Been good. Got some coffee. Hopefully the wind's not too bad. Pretty much stayed home all day today. I think I've got a bit of sunstroke slash maybe hangover. All made ospreys up here. He was going for a bit of a fish before and it's drying himself out, so there's actually a nest up the camp there. There's a mating pair. Hello! He's looking at me. I don't want to disturb him. Thank you. I'll leave you alone. Gotta hide the dogs. Just thought I'd show you something pretty cool. Resident ospreys. How good is that? The other partners was down our camp yesterday after having a bit of a swim, drying the splatters out. Awesome. I think there's another head in there. Good stuff. Well, that's it. Our 72 hours at Cliff Edge is done. It's been awesome. A little bit of windy, but that's alright because it kept the sultanas away. Another awesome day. It's supposed to be blowing up today. I said 40 k's, but now it's been dropped to 39. All good. Enjoyed it. First in, first serve. 20 bucks a night. It's not very busy. Not as busy as I thought it was going to be. Heaps of bays. Big rigs and little ones. Job done. We're off to Western Flora Caravan Park now. See how that is. Apparently there's a shrub that's called a cricket ball tree. I want to go see that. All good. Cliff Edge. Awesome. Western Flora Caravan Park. Give you a look around. We arrived yesterday. I pretty much stayed in the van all day because I got my sunburnt from the beach. The aircon on. Big days. It's about 30 of them plus. Nice and quiet. And dogs to walk. Heaps of bird life, kangaroos. Diesel unleaded, which is pretty good because there's heaps of people using it, so it gets flowed. Camp, or fireplace, camp kitchen. Seats. Must be awesome in winter. Shower, toilet, camp kitchen, laundry. Little dommies over there. that's it, another 8 days done. Just leaving the Western Flora Caravan Park. That was a pretty good stay. Milligan's Beach, that was unreal. 3 days there, had a good spot, damn hot, had Christmas Day there. The beaches were awesome. Individual little bays, like one would be a reefy one would be sort of sandy. Plenty to choose from there. We were lucky because there was hardly anybody there. It was a stinker though, it was bloody hot. Cliff Heads, 10 out of 10 also. Right on the beach. Had an awesome spot. The wind picked up during the day, but that was okay because it kept the sultanas away. Yeah, Western Flora Caravan Park. This is the sort of place that you get to sort of stop and do nothing. We don't have time to do that. So 2 nights here, we're leaving now. What's the time? Just after 9, heading home. But it's good to sit back and do nothing. I guess because I got so sunburnt, I had to stop and do nothing. Anyway, homebound. See you next time.